Hello everyone, this is Scott Bear here at Mortgage Pro, and this video is powered by your Realty Pro broker. And this is what is new for probably the past several weeks. It's been a little bit of time since I've recorded a video. I apologize, but finding the concentrated time to get these videos recorded sometimes can be a little bit difficult. So wanted to make sure and give you some very timely news. Right now, probably the best news would be the mortgage interest rates. Very, very good rates right now. We're back down into that all-time low range for mortgage interest rates, and the inverse relationship that occurs between mortgage interest rates and the mortgage-backed securities market would also be the case. So that would mean the mortgage-backed securities market is at an all-time high. Now, the all-time high mark that was reached, I believe, back in February is not reached as of yet, but we're only about 80 basis points below that mark. So right now, like I say, right in that range of the all-time highs for the mortgage-backed securities market and very good mortgage interest rates. So if you're in the market to refinance or purchase, now, again, would definitely be the time. So if you're in the market to refinance and you currently have an FHA mortgage, you're actually going to want to wait until June to refinance, because if you tried to refinance from an FHA mortgage to another FHA mortgage, which is called a streamlined refinance, you would be subject to the current mortgage insurance rates, which are actually, frankly, extremely high and would not make it a very good prospect to refinance. Right now, your monthly mortgage insurance premium is 1.25, and if you were to refinance come June, it will actually be changing to 0.5, so less than half the mortgage insurance payment in June that you will experience if you try to do it now. Now, the current upfront financed mortgage insurance premium is 1.75. It will be in June 0.01, so literally next to nothing. You will experience a slightly lower payment on that account as well, because your mortgage loan amount will actually be slightly lower, not having to finance that mortgage insurance premium, and you'll also experience that added benefit in your mortgage payment. So in June is the time to refinance for an FHA mortgage. All the other mortgages, conventional, USDA, VA, by all means, refinance now. Fantastic time, and or purchase. So call your Realty Pro broker. They'll definitely help you find a home. So there are a number of reasons as to why the mortgage interest rates are where they're at. Several, actually. China being one of them. They're experiencing a little bit slower economic growth than they've experienced in the past, and bonds tend to thrive in weaker economic environments, and so that's helping support the bond market. Now, the stock market also has been trading at rather frothy high levels for some time, and we're just not going to be able to maintain that type of level for forever. And so we've seen investment dollars being siphoned out of the stock market and into the safer investment of bonds. So that's helping support the bond market. And we've also seen a resurfacing of debt fears in the Eurozone. Now, the debt problems have always been there for quite a while, and they will be there for some time to come. The mainstream media has not been highlighting those occurrences as of late, but lately they have been, and that's helped support the bond market as well. Not to mention, we're going to be having an election here, a presidential election towards the latter part of this year, and I can't imagine the government allowing rates to do much of anything drastic prior to that occurrence. That would definitely affect the outcome of everybody's campaign. So enjoy the weekend this weekend. It's going to be a beautiful Saturday today, and go out and do maybe some fishing or some hiking. I'm going to be doing some hiking with my daughter, so we're going to be spending some quality time together. So you go do the same, and I will see you at the beginning of next week. Have a great one. Bye-bye.